Hi, I'm not wearing any makeup. Okay, I know you see me wearing makeup, but I'm not really wearing any makeup. This is not to tell you that I am some kind of special effects pro. I'm a YouTube expert. No, I'm also not a YouTube expert. But I am creating a little tutorial for Gen X actors like me. So I thought I'm gonna share it here with you because I am a Gen X actor who really
It normally looks like this.
most days I'm on the computer for 9 hours a day for my day job. Yeah, I know. So if you'd like to learn how to do really cool stuff like create your evil twin, I'm gonna show my class step by step how to do those things, and I can teach it to you too. Why? Why would you even want to do this?
Why would you want to do this?
Because we're actors. How do you remove the background? Well, I'm going to teach you all of that and more. So it's not just for YouTubers. It's not just for actors. I only know how to do what I need to get these techie things to do. So if you're like me, if you're just learning more and getting 1% better every day at this craft called acting in YouTube, you're going to want to tune in to the new series that I'm calling, are you ready? Lights, Camera, Content. There will be a playlist that you're going to want to binge. I'll see you there.